I just finished a video that I posted on whether to accept a low offer or reject a low offer. And this sort of goes hand in hand with that. And that's answer to the question of which is better, a slow dime or a fast nickel. Usually they ask it the other way, is a fast nickel better than a slow dime? And if you don't know what that means, if you think about it, it's really asking, should I price things lower or accept a lower offer in order to sell them faster? Or do I price things higher and it might take longer to sell them, but I will make more money? And the answer, as a lot of things are, is that it depends. And I've already told you I don't like it depends answers for classes like this. But I can give you some scenarios. Now, some of you know the foundation of what I will say up front, and that is, if you're energizing your account, be more likely to price it lower than higher, because sales are important to you right now. You want eBay to see your account is active, that you're a good seller, that you ship when you say you do, and that if you start getting sales even every day or two, then you can handle that. eBay will reward you the more of that you do. So a sale is always better for your account, not just your pocketbook, but a sale is always better for your account right now than no sale. And unlike you know who, we don't have to pay storage fees. So if you wait a while because you price something high, that's not a wrong strategy necessarily, but right now, if you're fairly new, if you're energizing a dormant account or a new one, it's probably not the best strategy. If you really want to hold out on some items for a high price, maybe wait another month or two until you're really selling a lot. At that point, throw it in there at a high price and just wait for the sale. Once you get your account energized, the thing is, you'll highball everybody and still sell pretty fast. So it's a good problem. There is a phrase in finance, and that is, it never hurts to take a profit. So if you're in the money and you buy a stock, I believe in technical analysis for those of you who understand advanced stock trading techniques. I'm a TA guy, and I think it's not good to always take a profit, because you need to base your selling decision not just in the stock market, but also when it comes to eBay. You need to make your financial decisions based on the reality and statistics and what you know. And a lot of times, if a stock is in the money because it's gone up, the trend is your friend, as we say. And so you want to hold on to that because it probably will go higher. One sign that a stock is going higher is that it has gone higher. And trends last longer than anybody expects them to. I think there's a lot of truth to that in our market of eBay. eBay is very similar to the stock market in that we've got very liquid stocks. And that is, a lot of our inventory are things that a lot of people want. Even though we've got one-offs for the most part, and we've got these treasures that are no longer being made for the most part, people still want what we have, and there are a lot of people out there, a lot of collectors and all of that. So I think that it's not always right to take a profit, but with a new account, when you're energizing an account, it's more right to take a profit sooner, to take a fast nickel instead of holding out for the very last penny possible. Your account will not grow as fast, it won't energize as fast, the algorithm will not like you as fast if you do that. So be willing to take the fast dime. Am I saying that right? Fast nickel, slow dime. Be willing to take the fast nickel over the slow dime. But once your account's energized, the answer is, do I take a fast nickel or a slow dime? We learned from Solomon about, what, 3,000 years ago, 3,500 years ago? We learned from the wisest man on earth that when a wise person is given only two options, the wise person always picks the third. That's why anytime you're given two bad choices to vote for, you never vote for either of them because the lesser of two evils is still evil. So if you're given a choice once your account's energized of do I take a fast nickel or a slow dime, your answer should always be, I want a fast dime.